For Texas inspectors who have put work into customizing their comments in the TREC 7.5 template, we don't want all of that effort to go to waste when you update to 7.6. Following these steps will ensure you don't lose your comments, inspection item local lists, or style and material options. First, you'll want to ensure that you've updated to the latest version of HomeGauge by clicking Help, Check for Updates. The latest version is 5.4.5.0, which includes TREC 7.6. Once you've updated to the latest version of HomeGauge, you can confirm by going to Select Report Template and confirming that you have the new Texas TREC 7.6 option in the Texas category of your Select Report Template dialog. Before getting started, let's go ahead and create a backup of your TREC 7.5 template. Click Select Report Template, choose your Texas TREC 7.5 template, and click Open Template. From here, click File, Save Template As, and choose a name for the backup. In this case, I've just chosen Texas TREC 7.5 Backup. When you're entering the name, you don't need to include the .ht5. Go ahead and click Save. In this case, I already had it, so I'll overwrite it. And now you have a backup, just in case. For the next step, click New once more, click Select Report Template, and this time choose the Texas TREC 7.6 template. Once here, you'll want to navigate to Report Info. Under Report ID, enter an ID that you will recognize from the Open Report menu in a later step. For instance, TREC Merge. Any name works as long as you recognize it. Click away from Report Info and then click Save. Now, click New to start a new report one last time. Click Select Report Template, and this time choose your existing TREC 7.5 template. Once here, click File, Merge Report into this report, and choose the report that you just saved in the prior step, in this case, the one I titled TREC Merge. You'll be asked what sections you want to merge. Go ahead and click Select All and click OK. Once complete, you'll see Reports Merged, no errors. Click OK. Now there are a few cleanup steps we need to do to ensure that your template is TREC 7.6 compliant. Click Section 4, Plumbing System. You'll see that a new item, Gas Distribution Systems and Gas Appliances, has been added to the bottom of this section. Click it once to highlight it, and then click Up T on the toolbar. This item should be item E before Other. This section is now TREC compliant. Click Optional Systems, and you'll find that two new items were added: Private Sewage Disposal System without septic, and Other Built-in Appliances. The first thing you'll want to do is click item G, which is the new private sewage disposal system item, and delete it. We're going to be keeping your existing one. Click Delete T and choose OK. For the existing item E, you'll want to click it once to select it and click Edit T. And then remove the text that says septic. Click OK. Next, you'll want to click Other Built-in Appliances, and once more click Up T. This should be item F before Other. This section is now TREC compliant. That's it. The next thing we need to do is make a new template for all future reports. Click File, Save Template As, click Texas TREC 7.6, and click Save. Now, when you click New and click Select Report Template and choose Texas TREC 7.6, you'll find that all of the new items and styles and materials have been added from TREC 7.6, but you have not lost any of your custom comments, local list items, or style material options that you may have added to TREC 7.5.